Have for sale here a 2014 Yamaha Stryker. I bought it brand new in October 2014. Has a stock 21-inch front wheel, 3-inch forward controls, Cobra Swept exhaust. It was lowered 2 1/4 inches. It's got a 240 rear tire on it. It's got about 2,000 miles. Relocated license plate holder. It's got a low profile tank bag. Dynajet power commander. 12-inch FMB apes with 2-inch risers. Currently has 14,281 miles. Aftermarket mirrors. Things that are wrong with it. There's a scratch here from my wife trying to move the bike, and the shift rod here has a bend. Still shifts perfectly. The replacement part, you can replace the entire forward control kit for $100 off of Amazon. Nothing else wrong with it. Everything else works perfectly. I apologize for how dirty it is. I haven't had a chance to clean it because it's been snowing here. If you're interested, just let me know. Leave a message down below. I also have 2010 Yamaha Stryker with apes. It's the Stryker Deluxe. It's got the lower fairings, pads, extended pedals, Cobra extra long exhaust. It's got 17-inch Carlinis with stainless steel brake lines. I upgraded the speakers to the waterproof Polk Audios. They're 6.5s. It's got the bag there. I'll let you hear it. And I'll let you hear the Stryker.